Welcome back to the channel, guys. I hope you're having a great day. So today we're going to be talking about the Pi network. Pi not looking so well, down 9.3% today. 78 cents price range. Remember, Pi was around $3, right? Just about a month ago. And there are many reasons why the price has fallen off the cliff. You take your pick. It could be that a lot of people didn't receive their coins through after the KYC process. It could be that perhaps the communication from the core member teams as well as the roadmap of Pi. Maybe many things not coming to fruition. But today we're going to talk about some positives for the Pi team, the Pi network, I'm sorry, that might be a good thing for the project in the near future. And that, of course, is the projects that are being created to work in relation to the Pi network, right? If you go over to the Pi application, you can click on the Brainstorm app. It's going to show you a list of all of the projects or many of them that are being created from the community. Hopefully, the idea is these projects will bring attention to Pi and much more value to Pi and useful projects that people are going to want to use, whether it's some type of game or social media site, marketing, advertising network, payment system, whatever it ends up being. Hopefully, it'll be something that attracts people, right? So one of such is going to be run on the Bitcoin MYK site. You get there by going over to bitcoinmyk.com, or known as Btcmyk, and running an application in relation to the Pi network called the SenseAd program, right? Which is kind of like Google AdWords, Google AdSense mixed with social media, where your likes pay you the incentive token, the native token. In addition to that, you can mine it similar to the Pi application. But what's great about this is you can earn Pi through the application because anyone who is referred over by you, you have an affiliate dashboard account, and when they do things on the site, on the social network, you're going to be able to earn not only the incentive token that can be traded for other cryptocurrencies and Pi, but you're going to be able to basically earn on percentages of Pi based on how much Pi is transacted by the people who come over. So, for example, if people want to promote themselves, they'll be able to use Pi in a marketplace to buy ads, banner ads, marketing and promotion, and you will get a percentage over the life of that account, right? All the Pi is spent. So that's pretty cool. That gets everybody earning some Pi and participating. Now, of course, you could do regular things on the site. You're going to earn the native cryptocurrency, and you can take that cryptocurrency and basically trade it out for something else, whether it be Bitcoin or Pi and things like that, and get Pi that way, right? Just by doing normal things you do on social media every day. So that's going to be pretty good, and integrating that into Pi with the Pi wallets and such is going to be pretty cool. If applications like that get popular, you can see a turnaround for Pi. My thoughts on Pi has always been it'll work better as a stable cryptocurrency, right? Where there's going to be a lot of people transacting with this thing. I think the mistake with Pi is to look at it like a store of value like Bitcoin, where you're going to have Pi worth, say, $1, and that Pi value is going to jump to $1,000 or $10,000. Whereas it's possible that could happen. That's probably not how I would look at Pi. I think a lot of opportunities probably going to come from projects related to Pi. If you look at something like Bitcoin MYK, it has only 21 million coins of its own, right? But they integrate with the Pi network and so on, and you can earn them as well, and you can earn Pi. So I think that's going to be pretty interesting. Now, to get started, that's what the video is all about. To get started with the Pi ecosystem, the Bitcoin MYK platform in relation to Pi, you want to look on the menu button to your left, and on the left you're going to you're gonna go down to something called My Account, right? That's where you want to start at, your account. When you click on My Account, what you're going to get is an opportunity to register, right? Now, you don't have to register your real life information, not important information. This is just so you can set up an account, get important emails and things like that, and get access to your passwords and wallets and so on. So here, you're going to put your name, your phone number is not necessary, username. You're going to create very simple stuff. You do this in 30 seconds and then register, right? And I've already set up an account, so obviously I'm not going to do it. But this is a 30-second registration. If you're watching this video, you might as well just take 30 seconds to do it now. It's going to be worth it, and we're going to tell you why and show you how you can start, earning this token and getting Pi and all those great things. Okay, once you register and through my account, this is your page is going to look something like this. Okay. When you first log into your account, right, after you complete your registration, right, you could then get back to the home page by going up here and clicking. You can either go to the menu button here to the right, the three-prong menu area to the right, where you'll have options to do a variety of things. I usually like to go to the account tab. The activity tab. That's usually my starting point. But as you can see, you can post. You can get just information, which I would encourage you to do. Go to the frequently asked questions section. You can create groups or join groups. Your affiliate account, right? That's where you're going to be able to earn Pi and other cryptocurrencies. Your wallet, where you're going to be able to do your transactions and just basic things like that, right? So I'm going to go to activity, like it's usually my starting point on the site. And when you go to, you're going to come to the main hub of everything that's happening on the Bitcoin MYK site, right? You can see people are posting. Now, it's important to understand that when you post, just standard social media things you do every day, right? When you do that, you basically earn these tokens, which you can either trade out for other cryptocurrencies like Pi, or you can basically transact directly in Pi, right, on the site, and you'll earn percentages of Pi coin, right? So you can use this site and just earn Pi coin 100%. And you can integrate that with the incentive token and do pretty much the same thing. If you look over here to the right, you'll see I'm carrying that. You can see my balance over 1,000 of the Btcmyk tokens, right? But if you click over here, I'm just going to go over here and go to your left, the left of your menu. You're going to see where it shows your wallet, the white paper. I'm just going to click on wallet. That'll give you an idea of what's happening. Okay, so if I click on wallet, you get to see how I'm getting these tokens, right? I'm visiting sites, I'm updating my profile, I'm basically making friends, I'm doing a variety of things, and I earn these tokens for it, right? You earn different tokens based on things you do, right? If you do different activities, you might earn more of the token than if you do another type of activity, right? If you join a group, you'll earn like 10 of the tokens and so on. And they trade at below $1, in the cents range, right? Few pennies, fractions of pennies and so on. And they go up and down like many other cryptocurrencies, right? But if you go over here to your left, if I click on affiliate account, right? This is where you start to get into how you're going to earn your Pi, right? Now, I never use my affiliate links. I should start using them. But what you will see is percentages of what will be the Pi coins you earn, right? And so that'll be based on who uses your links. You can share your links. And you also earn tokens based on how many social media activities you do, the type of things you do, how active you are, and so on. So it's kind of like mining with social media related into it, right? So you start to create these tokens and gain them from that. So pretty cool stuff. Pretty cool stuff how this works and the things that you're doing, right? So let me get over here to All right, I want to go back to the activity page, right? Or you can just click the icon, the top of the icon to the left to get back there, right? Okay, up here is the group section. You earn a lot more cryptocurrency by, by joining groups, right? So I clicked on group and you'll begin to see here's a group that I joined, right? Okay, let's check that out. Alrighty. Let's see where we are. I think we're inside one of the groups now. Yep, and those are some of the members of the group on the side. Okay, that says the Hive public group. That's one such group I'm in. Let's see where we are now. Click on information, or maybe I should click activities. Let's click activities and see what we get here. Within the group. Okay, still showing info. And so it's basically like your standard social media sites at this point, right? Anything you do on standard social media, you're going to be able to perform here, right? And I'm still not in groups, but I'm going to find a way to get there in a second. This is more or less my profile page. Okay. And I think I have to go over here to get the groups. Let me check here. All right. Just give me 1 second. Okay. We got menus everywhere. Go to the, when in doubt, go to your right to your 3-prong menu, right? Up here at the top right corner, we have a groups button in there. I'm going to click on groups and see if that takes me to where I want to be. And it does. It takes me to the groups directory. Over 7,000 groups have been created. And there are over wallets. At today, there's over 20,000 wallets, right? So you can see here it says My Groups. I'm going to click on My Groups. And you can see to the right, you can create a group as well. That's what you want to do, because if you create a group, you're going to get a lot more tokens for that. And it's all free. So kind of think of it like mining, but you're mining through social media activities, right? And the more eyes we get on this, the more promotion comes up. Remember that those promotions are going to be valued in pi. So you're going to be able to basically buy these banners in pi, and the people who come in under you, right? Meaning they use your affiliate link, right? You can do your affiliate registration, and you go there and you'll get your affiliate link. When you do that, you're basically going to earn pi, right? That's what's so cool about it. That's why we need you to vote for us to end up being one of the best projects over there on Pi. And, it is my thoughts. And we're in the group. Now, this is the group area, right? And what's cool, you can have your own groups and do all your activities from your own groups, right, guys? And, by doing that, then you're basically able to, you'll basically be able to, earn, right, run your own group and earn the native token. So we feel like projects like this is what's going to lend to value on Pi right now. Not a whole lot going on Pi. There's no breakout applications. People are just mining Pi, right? The biggest problem is people are just mining Pi, but they can't get their cryptocurrencies, right? They got to go through all this KYC and all that stuff. With Bitcoin MYK, you're not going to have that problem, right? It's not going to be all of that. We have a governance model, right, where your tokens are automatically released and approved. The only time you'll have an issue is if the community, through a governance model, everyone will have the means to vote, suspects that there is, basically bad actors, right? And in that case, if there are bad actors, then that will be a problem.